video today, we're going to be talking about the different components of Power BI, what they each do, how they are used by different people in various roles in your organization, and ultimately, why Power BI when other options exist. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to be notified of new videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a collection of applications and services that work together to connect to your data and present it in ways that allow you and your organization to easily discover what's important. The main components are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and the Power BI mobile apps. Power BI Desktop is a Windows application to create reports, which are then published to the Power BI Service, where others can access them. The Power BI mobile apps are available on Windows, iOS, and Android devices and allow you to view dashboards and reports on your mobile devices. Other less common components of the Power BI suite are the Power BI Report Builder, which allows users to create paginated reports like SSRS or Crystal reports, and the Power BI Report Server, an on-premise alternative to the Power BI service. And we'll cover all these different components in further detail in future videos. Power BI Desktop is the main application used to connect to your data, transform and clean it, create relationship models between unrelated data sources, and create visualizations of the data. As mentioned in the previous slide, reports created in Power BI Desktop can then be published to the Power BI service, where they can then be shared with others. The Power BI service is a web-based service where organizations can publish their reports and share them with others. In the Power BI service, you can also create dashboards, which are collections of different visualizations from various reports, and are a great way to monitor the most important metrics from different reports all in one place. With all these different pieces of the Power BI puzzle, it may be difficult to see how different users and roles in your organization will use Power BI. A simple way to differentiate the users would be if they are expected to produce reports or consume them. Business users could be anyone from executives to managers, sales staff, or others that need to analyze or monitor data, but not create reports themselves. While they would still be able to use Power BI Desktop to create reports, it's likely that the Power BI service would be their main tool. Report creators would be users tasked with creating reports and understanding the underlying data relationship models and connections. And lastly, there are advanced features available to developers to allow for automated processes, embedding the dashboards and custom applications, creating new visualizations, and much more. And with all this information, it's also important to know why Power BI is important for your organization. Ultimately, it is the visualization component to the Microsoft Power Platform, and a key benefit to how Power BI works is that it empowers the business to easily leverage their existing data and quickly adapt to changes without having to wait for the IT department to implement changes. And it's important to note that there are several competitors in this space, such as Tableau and Qlik, but third-party research firms continue to rate Microsoft Power BI as the leader. And to wrap it all together, why Power BI? Well, first off, Power BI Desktop is free, and not just as a free trial or with limited features, making it easy for prospective users to test the product out. Your users can test drive the full product right away without having to worry about demos, licenses, or other roadblocks. Another important feature for a lot of businesses is the ability to monitor real-time data, and Power BI provides several mechanisms with the Power BI service to create real-time dashboards. And a final important feature for many businesses now is that Power BI is fully integrated into Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, and Teams. And with so many businesses now working remotely, and within the Office 365 or Dynamics 365 ecosystem, having all your products work seamlessly is critical. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to be notified of future Power BI videos, please subscribe to our channel. And feel free to reach out to us at info@netwoven.com if you have any questions.